Hello, I am Andrew, and today I am going to talk about the UK. So watch and listen. Right now, the time is 5:30 or 5:30. It is 5:30 in the afternoon or 5:30 p.m. Today is Thursday and outside the weather is good. It is sunny and warm. Not cold, it's warm. Okay, so a question. Do you know that the UK, Great Britain, and England are not the same? Do you know that the UK, Great Britain, and England are different? In this video, I am going to explain to you what the difference is. Okay? So, these are called the British Isles. British Isles. Isle and island are two words for the same thing. So these are the British Isles or islands. Yes. The two largest islands are the island of Great Britain, and the island of Ireland. So, this is Great Britain, and this is Ireland, and together they, with all these other islands, make up the British Isles. In the British Isles, there are five countries. Five countries. England. This is the flag of England. England is the biggest of the five countries. England has a population of about 55 million people. England has a population of about 55 million people. In the north is Scotland. This is the flag of Scotland. Scotland is the second largest of the five countries. Scotland has a population of about 5.5 million people. 5.5 million. The third largest country is Ireland. This is the flag of the Republic of Ireland. And the Republic of Ireland has a population of about 5 million people. Wales has a population of about 3 million, and Northern Ireland has a population of about 2 million people. Interesting point. London, the city of London, has a population of more than 10 million. So London has more people than Scotland. London has more people than Ireland and Wales and Northern Ireland. So now, here is a timeline. A timeline. Now, in the 21st century, the UK stands for the United Kingdom of Great Britain. Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Northern Ireland. So the UK stands for the United Kingdom of Great Britain. Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Northern Ireland. So in the 21st century, the UK is this. The UK has 4 countries: Scotland, England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. But it was not always like this. No. In the past, it was different. Before the year 1707 or 1707, Great Britain was split into 2. In the south was the Kingdom of England, and in the Kingdom of England was 21st century England and Wales, and in the north was the Kingdom of Scotland, and in the year 1707, the Kingdom of England in the south and the Kingdom of Scotland in the north joined. They joined to form the Kingdom of Great Britain. Great Britain. So in 1707, the Kingdom of Scotland and the Kingdom of England joined to form the Kingdom of Great Britain. So these 2 flags joined. So these 2 kingdoms joined to form the Kingdom of Great Britain. And these 2 flags joined to form this flag. It looks a little bit like the 21st century flag of the United Kingdom, but it is slightly different. Yes. Between 1707 and 1801, you had the Kingdom of Great Britain here, and here was the Kingdom of Ireland. Back then, in the 18th century, Ireland was united, it was together. And in 1801 or 1801, the Kingdom of Great Britain and the Kingdom of Ireland joined to form the Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland. And the Kingdom of Great Britain flag, which I just rubbed out, joined together with the Kingdom of Ireland flag, which was this red cross, to form the modern day United Kingdom flag. The Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland lasted from 1801 until 1922. In 1922, Ireland split in two, into Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland. And then 5 years later, in 1927, the name of the UK changed and became the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. And to make things easier, because this is 2, 4, 6, 8 words, very long to write and very long to say. So now we call this the UK for short. So, and from 1927, nothing has changed. It is still the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. So, remember, these are the British Isles, and the United Kingdom is made up of 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. And Great Britain is this island, and in this island are England, Scotland, and Wales. In the island of Ireland, there are 2 countries: Northern Ireland in the north, and in the south, the Republic of Ireland, this flag. And the United Kingdom has been the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland since 1927. So, I hope that this video explains a little bit of the history of the UK and where this flag comes from. It is a combination of these 3 flags: the flag of England, the flag of Scotland, and the old flag of the Kingdom of Ireland, which existed before 1801. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.